How's it going, YouTube? Mr. RESHOEVN8R back with another cleaning video. Today, we'll be cleaning the Have a Nike Day that released this year on March 1st, 2019. I got a question for you, a little trivia. When was the first Air Max 1 released? Please leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what year the Air Max 1 first released, and maybe we'll pick someone and give something away. First person to comment the correct answer, we will send something to. Why not? All right guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and set this shoe over here. Today we will be using our 4-ounce 3-brush cleaning kit, a handy bowl, and a shoe tree. I like using a shoe tree on every cleaning. It allows you to apply pressure on the toe box. Those of you that have seen my videos before, I pretty much do this in every single video. So sorry if it's repeating for you, but it is what it is. It's true. So what we're gonna do here, take the laces out. Okay, now that we got the laces out, what we're gonna do is go ahead and insert the shoe tree. We just need to adjust it to size. This is a size 10. So we're gonna go ahead and put it either the 4th or the 3rd hole from the end. Some of you that have had questions about how to insert this into the shoe, instead of putting it in like this, you wanna make sure that the heel tab is forward and then you snap it into place. All right, so being that this shoe has multiple materials, a bunch of different colors, we're gonna have to be a little bit more careful cleaning this shoe than other shoes, because this black, there's a good chance that that could bleed into this lighter pink, purple, and so on. So we're gonna probably clean this shoe one section at a time. Make sure that the brush is clean and then move on to the next section. But before we do that, we gotta put some of our advanced cleaning solution in the bowl. About 2 small squirts should do it just fine. First brush we're gonna use today is the soft bristle brush. So I'm gonna shake off all the excess water, and I'm gonna start at the top and work my way down. As you can see here, looking really good on the cleaning for the pink suede. As you can see, I'm being extremely careful, just cleaning one section at a time to avoid any bleeding onto other areas of the shoe. Now that I've gone ahead and cleaned this section with the pink suede, I'm just gonna go ahead and pat it dry. Okay, so now that I've done that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus on this mesh material next, and then I'll go on to another section. So let's get this aqua color mesh. Start with the tongue. Again, making sure not to oversaturate. We do have some staining right in there. So now that I've cleaned the tongue, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the toe box, the aqua mesh. I'm gonna be super careful not to get up against the black suede on the toe box area though. Just in case it gets too wet, it could bleed into this material. If you guys want to get a more detailed cleaning, I highly recommend using the towel on the tip of your finger, and you can get a much more detailed clean using this here. Now that we have the mesh on the tongue and the toe box clean, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and circle around to the back. I'm gonna get this teal suede cleaned up with this brush. Most likely, I may even go back to the pro tip using this, we'll see. So let's check it out and see what happens. I'm just very lightly gonna go over this black. All right guys, so while I'm cleaning this black suede, I'm going ahead and I'm patting it dry as I'm cleaning it. And you just wanna be very gentle with it. If you rub on it too hard, you're gonna end up pulling the color out and it's gonna come on this towel. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush. I did a pretty good job cleaning this section by section. After we clean the midsole, we dry it all off, look at it. I may go back and hit it in some specific areas, but let's clean the midsole first and then come take a look. I'm being extremely careful not to go up onto the suede material. I'm just being as precise as I can with this brush. Let's go ahead and wipe this dirty soap off. So the soles of these are pretty beat, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean those up. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time there, but I am gonna get most of this dirt off. Okay, so now that we cleaned the sole up, let's go ahead and look at this shoe in detail. I do see some kind of spots here that are still a little dirty. There's a little dirt in there, a couple here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and give these a once over to finish this cleaning, and then we'll let them dry and show you the results. Okay, so these things were really, really dirty. I had them get me a new bottle to get me some clean water because making a huge mess. Look at the puddle that this stiff bristle brush is making, and I rinsed that out. But overall, I think they look great. Super happy with how they turned out. No color bleed that I'm aware of. Once they dry, we'll really be able to see how they look. So last thing we got to do, take these laces, clean these bad boys up. We're gonna let them dry and then show you the B-roll. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate the support. We got big things coming this year, so look out. All right, So that's gonna do it. Let these dry. You guys check out the B-roll. Mr. RESHOEVN8R. Till next time.